Welcome to how to delete message in Instagram. So in this video we are going to show you how to delete message in Instagram, but before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you will just open up Instagram, then you will go into your messages, and then you will basically I will open up the messages here, and let me just send this person a message. And now I basically don't want to read him this message, and I want to delete this message. So I will just simply tap and hold on this message, and here you can see we have this option where it says unsend. So just simply tap on unsend and just basically tap on unsend, and now this message is been unsent. Okay, this message will also be deleted from their side as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.